In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a 3D logo in GIMP using a simple built-in effect that can turn flat text or a basic logo shape into something that looks bold, dimensional, and professional. This is a great technique if you want to make your YouTube branding, thumbnails, gaming logos, or social media graphics stand out without needing any expensive software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and create your logo text. You can type out the name of your logo using a bold font so the effect looks strong and clean. Or if you already have a flat logo shape, you can paste that onto a transparent background instead. The cleaner and bolder your starting design is, the better the 3D effect will look once we apply it. Try to keep the text centered and make sure it has enough space around it so the shadow effect has room to expand. Once your text or logo is ready, the next step is to open the Long Shadow tool. At the top menu, click Filters, then go to Light and Shadow and choose Long Shadow. This is the feature that will create the fake 3D extrusion effect and give your design that depth you're looking for. When the window opens, you'll see a few settings that control the final look, and each one matters for the style of your logo. Now, let's adjust the style. In the Style drop-down menu, change it from Fading to Finite. This is an important step because the Finite style gives you a more solid and controlled 3D appearance, which is usually better for logo design. The fading style can look too soft for a bold logo, so Finite is the better choice if you want clean edges and a stronger visual impact. Next, set your angle. Use the angle wheel to control the direction of the 3D depth. For a classic look, you can angle the shadow down and to the right because that usually gives the logo a natural and balanced appearance. But you can experiment with different angles depending on the style you want. A different direction can completely change the mood of the design, so feel free to try a few options before settling on one. After that, adjust the length. The length slider controls how thick or extended the 3D extrusion looks. If you want a subtle depth effect, keep the length shorter. If you want the logo to look more dramatic and bold, increase the length a bit more. Just be careful not to overdo it, because too much length can make the design feel stretched or messy. The goal is to make it look clean, professional, and easy to read. Now, it's time to pick your colors. Set the shadow color to a slightly darker shade than your main text or logo color. This is what helps create the illusion of real lighting and shadow, which makes the design feel more realistic. For example, if your text is blue, choose a deeper blue for the shadow. If your logo is red, choose a darker red or maroon tone. Keeping the colors close but not identical helps the 3D effect look polished instead of flat or disconnected. Once everything looks good, click OK and let GIMP apply the effect. After a moment, your flat text or logo should now have a 3D style shadow that gives it much more depth and presence. You can zoom in and inspect the edges, and if needed, you can always undo and try different settings until it looks exactly how you want. Small adjustments in angle, length, and color can make a huge difference in the final result. And that's it. You've just learned how to design a 3D logo in GIMP using the Long Shadow effect. This is a quick and easy technique that works really well for logo mockups, text designs, and simple branding graphics. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.